What's going on, y'all? We back to back days with another trade recap. All right. Honestly, today's price action, it was okay. Yeah. I mean, honestly, I'm so happy that I even found something in the first place. But yeah. Okay. Basically, coming in today. What this is yes, right? Yeah. Okay. Like, I wanted to see this 4 hour get hit right here because you can obviously see we're bullish, right? And versus this 4 hour gap right here, and versus this 4 hour gap, it's like, bro, we tap back down here, bro. Come on, it's so obvious that it's gonna be this draw, right? But yes, if you look at where ES is, it's already like way above this area. So it was like, okay, you know, like we don't really know what's gonna go on. So, um, still the morning. 6, 7. Okay, I didn't even mean to say that, bro. Alright. So, in the morning, bro, we took out what previous day high, right? And I'm like, okay, if we see any retracement come back down, I'm gonna aim for this 4 hour. Okay? So, in order for me to be confident in that, this 1 hour left a huge gap. So, and this is what? This is at 7. 8. Okay. Well, we open at 9. Oh yeah, we have a little drop back down. Okay, and then yeah, so we drop back down at 10. Skip too much. Okay, whatever. Basically, earlier, right, when this was being printed, when this 1 hour candle reached previous day high, I'm like, bro, I'm still gonna look for long. So I was like, in my head, I'm like, I want to see this candle create a fair value gap. So I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock to trade. Okay, so we left a 1 hour fair value gap. So I'm like, bro, 10 o'clock. I'm like, bro, bet I'm gonna trade and see if we get anything. Hop on the 1 minute, right? It's 10. We tap back down and we don't get no inverse fair value gaps. I'm like, all right, bro, whatever. Like, bro, it is what it is. Hop back on the 1 hour and I'm like, okay, we have this low sitting inside this gap. So I'm like, okay, which is also a 4 hour. So I'm like, okay, if we hit that level down there and we get an inverse, then I'm taking it. Okay, market comes back down, right? And we hit the 4 hour, right? We hit it. So I'm like, bet. We're gonna look for longs. And at this point, I was just a bunch of 5 minute gaps. I'm like, bro, and none of them like tap back in. I'm like, bro, what's going on, right? Oh, that's not played back. I was like, bro, why is that already okay? So in my head, I'm marking all these levels out, these 5 and 15. I'm like, bro, like, let me see something. Come back down here, okay? We have some signs of like rejecting, and then like you get this 4 hour gap. Yo, please. 4 hour gap, but the structure, look, it's so bad. What if this 4 hour gap inverse? Why am I gonna take it? Nah, because it's like there's no legs. You know what I'm saying? There's no legs, so it's very risky if I were to take that trade off then. So I was thinking, okay, I'm not gonna take that. Like, it's fine. Even if this runs without me, even if this goes to the 15 minute and the 5 minute, I'm okay. So it starts running. And I'm like, bro, whatever. Like, it's chill. So we hit a 5 minute gap, and I'm like, okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. We barely get into this 15, right? I think we get into actually. We tap into it. And I'm thinking, yo, we kind of retraced a lot, even though the structure was bad. And you look on the 5 minute, inverse this gap, and is that, yeah, like a little gap here. So I'm like, okay, bro, if these two are being inverse, that means like we probably not going more down. Okay, and if you look, we tap what inside a 5 minute gap right here. So I'm like, okay, we hit the 4 hour, inverse 2 fair value gaps on the 5 minute, tap back down into the 5, which is what I wanted to see. Come back down, tap into it right here, and I'm like, okay, look, I'm like, bro, if we get a nice displacement count, I'm going in. Bang. That one right there, that candle right there, even though I don't see a fair value gap in the 1 minute, bro, I already knew in my head, bro, 30-second had like a nice inverse right here. And then this trade literally hit in 2 minutes. 230 in 2 minutes. I just went break even like up here because I think we are touching like 5 minutes. Yeah, like we are inside of 5, bro. Like I just tapped that, and if you look at it, it's like basically in the equilibrium of this range. So because we dropped down so much in the morning, I wasn't expecting any other kind of movement. Like for us, oh, like what, we just hit this and go like all the way up? Like, nah, bro, come on. And we hit right in the 50% level, and then we just consolidate for the rest of the day. So yeah, this was a dime ski. I can't lie, this was a dime trade, bro. Yeah. You know, I'm 6-0 on the funded right now, and like it's really showing that my backtest be doing something, but I can't get caught up in thinking I'm all nice like that. So I haven't upped my risk. Yeah, so basically I was risking heavy like right when I switched to funded after all that backtesting, and I just took some goofy losses because I wasn't like in that same mindset. And then I feels like it's kind of clicking into like, yo, I only gotta look for what I'm doing in the backtest. So yeah, this was today. Marking out, these are the entries right here, just what you guys saw, and then my checklist and everything. So yeah, W trade though, can't lie, W trade. Yeah, we'll see where this goes. I'm gonna just keep going. Not gonna be greedy or rush with this first one because this is the first one to really see if I can do it on the live. You know what I'm saying? All right, take care, y'all.